Thanks, Swarup, for having come all over the way and participating in this conference. What's your motivation to be a part of this conference?
Thank you. See, first of all, the title was very catchy and current, and has got huge future implication. And as I said, current, I was thinking about data analytics. Can we develop a center? Can we take something very solidly from this conference, two-day conference? And yes, indeed it happened. But it's good, but then every side has something to reflect upon, and that's what I like to about my emotion best possible way. And 2 days I found that a little lopsided more towards quantitative and then qualitative studies. As I come from a human resource background, and I have a passion towards human beings. Ultimately, business for whom? Business for not for the machines. Business is only for the human beings. Ultimately, human beings are the takers. In fact, business of business is not just business, and those are the old kind of concepts that people used to talk tom-tom about it, that business of business is business. Now we have shifted from this ideology to more people centric. So the analytics in the future need to shape itself to address the human sides of enterprise, to make the life of human being much better. So lots of things need to be done, and then it's not that easy. Quantitative data you can really capture, but qualitative data is still, it's a challenge. So I thought I wanted to know more about how, when it comes to human sides of analytics, what are the things need to be discussed, and maybe next conference more emphasis should be given on the human sides of analytics. That is what that fascinated me to come over here, and I found it was productive. 2 days was quite productive.
Anything else you would like to share from the conference?
Yeah, I mean, a 2 days conference I captured in a poetic form. Let me read it out. I ebbed out my emotions, whatever I observed. I call it wing words. The lines go like this: bedecked with thoughts, and thoughts I metaphor as a beauty, beauty is thoughts. Bedecked with thoughts to create a whole, wing words feather our souls. In the land of phegesus, where a horse may fly or beauty may die, beauty again intellectuality, creativity, beauty may die, but a death of beauty is a wishful tale. But the death of beauty is a wishful tale. Death cannot rise above beauty, nor it can fail. Oh, the greed of data! Oh, the greed of data! That's what you tell? To see a world in the palms of your hand, to see a world in the palms of your hand, and heaven in wildflowers. So the first line, we see a world in the palms of your hand, talks about qualitative side of analytics, but heaven in wildflower talks about the quantitative. Sorry, that's the previous one is quantitative sides of analytics, and the later the sentences what I ebbed out talks about the qualitative sides of analytics. And when the qualitative and quantitative they work hand in hand, then probably we do justice to any analytics conference or workshop in the future when you are planning to do. These two things need to be taken care of, as I understand.